Hey guys, Josh from PixelMake here with a quick update. Today marks the long-awaited release of both our Fantasy Rune weapons and our Fantasy Frost Environment packs. Both these packs will be available on the Dev Asset store for free with affordable upgrades. And to celebrate this release, we have our first free expansion to the pack, the Rune Cannon. This pack includes a cannon with a demonic looking cannonball with all objects with PBR textures. This pack will be available to download on Sketchfab and also on Gumroad. We will be using this pack to create a load of content for the channel, from more creative videos where we use the pack to build a range of things from structures to game scenes. We'll also be doing game building tutorials. And what you're seeing right now is a sneak peek into what I will be recreating in Unity with you. All the links for these game assets will be in the description below. We'll be doing regular updates and expansions to these packs, so to get all the latest updates and content from our channel, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and both our main Instagram and our behind the scenes one. I'll link all of those in the description below. That's all from me today. I hope you enjoy the assets, and I'll see you guys in the next video.